Welcome to DIY for Homeowners by Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to share with you our top 5 DIY tools from Amazon under $20. All right, Mom, let's get started.
One of the tools I like to use in almost every single project is this Kreg Multi-Mark. And this is something that we saw when it first came out, and I actually still have the email where I said to Steph, I sent her a link, we need to get this, and we did. This is great for making repeat measurements, and it can adjust to a 90-degree angle as well as a 45-degree angle. There is also a handy little level in it.
Number 2, a plastic razor blade, and it also comes with plenty of razor blades to use. So this is something that Mom saw on a website called Cool Tools, I believe, and she sent me a link to this. She said, we need this, and we ordered it, and guess what? It is a cool tool. So we've used this in almost every project. Probably the biggest way we use this is to remove those annoying stickers from wood and other things that you purchase, but we use it for so many things, and it's just great for scraping things off without damaging the surface.
Next, this was something that Steph saw, but these are little fingertip protectors, and if you've ever gotten a hot glue gun burn, third degree, this will prevent those third degree burns. And when you're working very closely with the hot glue, you can put these on, and then you can actually use your fingers to press down the hot glue and not get burned.
Exactly. Number 4, this is a tool that we've been using since day one of Mother-Daughter Projects. It is the magnetic stud finder. So this right here is basically 2 earth magnets inside here, and what you do is you just go across your wall with it, like this, and wherever the studs are on your wall, there are screws there where they attach the drywall to the studs, and so this will pick up on those screws, which means there's a stud there. So this is our very favorite stud finder. We've used all the other kinds in the past and not had good success. This is our favorite. It's under $20, and we both have one, and we recommend it to all of our friends.
Yes. This little simple tool, it gets a lot of use. This is a spring-loaded nail set and punch, and we use it a lot to start a hole, so when you want to drill a hole, it's a lot easier to get that drill bit set into the wood, so that works that way. You can also, if you have nails and pallet wood, you can get them out that way. And if you need to mark something, it's super duper perfect.
Exactly.
Did I really say super duper perfect?
Yeah.
Let's leave that in.
Okay. So those were our top 5 tools under $20 from Amazon that we use in almost every single project, but we have a bonus one. It's not part of the 5 because it is $27, but another tool that we use almost every project is this, and this is called the Robo-Grip, and they're actually adjustable pliers, and they are great because literally all you have to do is you hold on to whatever the thing is. So if you're a nut and bolt, for example, you have a wrench on one side and you need to hold the bolt on the other, you can use this, and it works really well. So this is basically kind of like, it locks in place just with your grip, so you don't have to do any kind of adjustment. We've actually been using these for years. They were actually for a time made under the Craftsman brand, and we actually still have that pair. This is like held up really well, but you can see it's Craftsman, and Robo-Grip is the brand. I think the people that own the patent for it. You can now find them on Amazon as Robo-Grip, and I will say we bought these because we have been so happy with this one. So this is definitely something worth picking up, and there'll be a link in the description to everything that we've talked about today.
If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this where we share our favorite tools from different stores, let us know that too.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye.